In today's data-driven world, the ability to harness information effectively is what sets industry leaders apart. Welcome to our Data and Analytics Foundation services, where data isn't just processed, it's transformed into a strategic asset. It starts with data curation and integration. We don't just collect data, we refine it, ensuring it's clean, precise, and ready to deliver insights. From raw data collection to advanced data labeling, each step is crafted to enhance data quality and accessibility. But data alone isn't enough. Our data engineering and management services build the architecture that supports massive volumes of data without compromising on speed or security. This is where scalability meets innovation. Security is paramount. With our data governance and security frameworks, your data is not only compliant with global regulations, but is also protected against today's ever-evolving threats. Turning data into foresight is our specialty. Our machine learning and predictive analytics services are at the forefront of extracting actionable insights. From sales forecasting to fraud detection, our models do more than predict. They inform and guide strategic decisions. Each business has unique data challenges and goals. That's why our solutions are designed to be modular and customizable. Whether your focus is on optimizing operations, enhancing customer experiences, or innovating product offerings, our services mold to your needs. In the tapestry of modern business, data is the thread that holds everything together. With our Data and Analytics Foundation services, weave this thread into a fabric of success that not only supports, but drives your business forward. Empower your organization with the foundation it needs to thrive in a data-centric world. Reach out today to build your future with our Data and Analytics Foundation services.